Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making a slime smoothie.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to
Of our slime collection
part 2. Okay.
If you haven't seen that, go check it out.
Yeah, go check it out. Okay. So we are going to try. There we go. Now you cannot see our faces, but you can see our little bowl. So Allie is playing with this slime, so we can start with it.
We're gonna put a little bit. No, we don't need to zoom. No.
I'm a mess it up person. Sorry, people.
Okay, here, let me just break it down. Okay, so we're gonna use a little bit of each slime. So how much is a little bit? That much? Or?
No, like this much. Our bowl is not that big, so we're gonna use like this much of the slime.
Yeah. Maybe a little.
No.
Okay, fine.
No. No.
Stop it.
Stop it. Okay. Moving on. How about a little bit of this slime?
Okay.
Oh my god. It has like golden glitter in it.
It's almost the same slime as this.
Yeah, let's just add that one now. No, not that. Okay, yeah, that much. Let's just show them this. This one has blue glitter in it though, so it's different. Okay, there it is so far. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this, yes. Yeah, this. Full beads. Here it is. This isn't the best video, high quality.
Yep, not high quality, but whatever.
Put it in. Show it to the camera and put it in.
More foam.
No, you have to show it to the camera.
I did.
Here's that. Okay, yeah. Put it in. It's a little more blue because we used Tide in that one.
Oh, do those two.
Oh, here's some nice slime. I think we may have already done a little bit of this slime, but I don't care.
No, we did not.
I don't know, whatever.
Okay, and you know how
A little bit of this slime.
So you know how the last slime I made in the last video, the one I actually made, like failed.
Yeah, it failed.
This was my new slime that I made. Okay, yeah.
I'm grabbing more of this.
Okay. I got some of this. Has glitter on it.
That, sorry.
Okay.
We have a lot of, oh, here's some nicely colored ones. Here's some of our butter orange. Okay, sorry. Here's some of our butter orange slime.
I don't know.
Butter
if we put
orange.
Some of this slime. Wait, do we put any of it?
I don't care.
But, yeah, let's put
There's that.
Wait, did we put in the slime though?
Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Don't mix them together. Alrighty. Here is a pinch of blue slime. Yeah, put that in there.
You do a pinch.
You need a pinch of the slime that's whole. Oh, guys.
Little pinch of the slime. Little pinch of slime.
Wait, here.
Okay. Well,
We'll just show you like that. We should have done that this whole video.
Okay, yeah, probably. Okay.
I need to adjust a lot. Okay.
Okay, so we got a pinch of purple slime. That's
A pinch of whatever the holographic glitter slime. Hey, put them in.
This is like nothing.
Yeah, but I don't care.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this much.
We need some the yellow slime.
We need some holographic glitter yellow slime. Holographic glitter green slime. Hi.
This one's not holographic.
Here's what it looks like. And I put some of that green
Looks like
slime in
gum.
there.
And open this slime.
And then we're going to add a pinch of these.
Yeah, add a pinch of those.
Because we want to.
Maybe.
It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. Yeah, yellow slime. We definitely need yellow slime. Everyone needs a little yellow slime in their life.
We might need to add a little more of.
Here's some more blue glitter. Here's a little more blue glitter. And here's like some of this.
More of this one.
Yeah, we're just adding. Okay, here's what it looks like so far. Here, I'm gonna hold it up while you add more slimes.
Okay, let's add some of this.
How about
some? Oh wait, yeah. Where's that purple?
Right here. Sure, we haven't done that one yet, so like, put that in there.
What the heck?
Give it. That's not how you open it. It's a twist to open.
Oh.
Here's some purple slime. Wait, where's that foam?
What foam?
Here.
Hold on. We gotta find our foam Christmas one.
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about. I don't know where it goes. Oh, here's another one that we haven't done.
Oh, okay. Here comes the minute.
No, she didn't put it away. Wait, maybe she can. You're not dumb like I am, so you probably. You can grab. Oh wait, there's another one we have to add. This one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back. Where's the Christmas foam one? Here it is. Yeah, I found it.
She hided it.
She hided it. Because that's a word. Like, totally.
Slime.
Wait, no, not yet. We have to add a little bit of this.
Yeah, a little deal.
Here, so this is my homemade foam. I made this foam at home by myself. I actually made the foam. I made a video on this.
Oh, yeah.
I made a video on that for you. Yeah, but I never posted it actually, so sorry you haven't seen it yet.
What, you didn't post it?
No, I didn't post it. I'm having a hard time posting it.
Okay, here's
I've been having a really hard time posting it.
Mm.
Okay, now, oh my god, this is heavy. This is so heavy.
I got some shaving cream on it. Okay.
In the last video, we ate shaving cream.
Woohoo! Don't do that.
Yeah, it doesn't taste very
Remember
good.
that, remember, you're stupid eating.
Here.
Okay, here.
We should do an eat it or wear it slime edition.
Yeah!
But we're gonna wear them all because slime can be toxic.
Mostly all slimes are toxic.
Yeah.
I
Except
just
the one
like
that you make with like applesauce.
Well, you can make some with applesauce?
I don't know, maybe.
I just put that in.
I can't get any out. This is I made fake snow, and it was from the dollar store, and it totally failed. It turned into like jelly. So I put it in slime because I was trying to make cloud slime, but it didn't work. It turned into like jelly slime. So I'm gonna put some in my slime smoothie because I made it, and yeah.
I'm just gonna put more of that.
Okay, so here's what our slime smoothie looks like and how it's gonna end.
And no, we're gonna mix it up.
Yeah, duh.
Wait, I wanna mix it up.
No, we're gonna use our hands. We're not stupid people.
I'm gonna mix it up with this.
Okay, I'm gonna start poking it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let me poke it all together first.
Hey, mush it. Mush it with a mush. I'm just playing with. I'm just eating soup over here.
Yeah, she's just eating some soup.
This is really good soup.
I know.
Ooh.
It's called slime soup. It's probably toxic. So
No, I'm not gonna. Don't eat slime.
don't eat slime soup.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now I'm eating some chicken.
That's probably also toxic.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, let's
And
like.
this chicken is very weird.
This is the cleansing ceremony of the slime, because it's kind of died. What?
The chicken you get at Clickers.
This is the. Don't let Cluckers see this video.
I'm sorry. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I love your chicken. It's so good.
Cluckers. I don't even know what that is.
Oh, it's just this place I love it.
Here, you can have half of it.
This is awesome slime. Look, it's like rainbow. It looks like rainbow.
Yeah, but
poop.
it's gonna turn brown. It's gonna look like real poop. Poop slime, poop slime. There's a kit where you can make poop slime. And there's corn and flies in it.
Don't get that kit, kids.
It's inappropriate. It's really not inappropriate.
No, I want to get that.
It's not inappropriate. That's just
get
sad.
that for your birthday.
Oh my God, please.
I'll just be like, oh, I'm gonna get her, Mom, I'm gonna get her a poop slime kit.
Please do that. Okay, oh, I just got lotion in my pants. Great.
You guys aren't older than us because we're weird.
What?
I hope they're younger than us.
I bet Dan TDM watches this.
Oh, God. Yo, Dan! Shout out to Dan TDM. We love you.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I met you.
You're lucky. She's Hannah, and I'm Allie.
I gave you Aaron's thinking putty.
And we're gonna make some slime. Maybe. Maybe we're gonna give some blue slime.
We're gonna give you this poop slime. No, we're not.
Yeah, you want it?
No, he doesn't want it.
Look at it now. It's like,
No, do not put it in my Christmas
I'm
slime.
not.
Do not get it in my Christmas slime. It's so disgusting to go there. It's actually kind of turning green.
Slime spiral. Okay. Oh, that's better.
That's so much better. I'm sorry that you guys have been living in darkness your whole life.
Really? Who's putting them to shame?
I've never been this hyper in a video. Nor have you.
I know. Remember that kid?
I didn't even have sugar. I didn't even have sugar today. And I was just watching that candy video that we did.
I just got slime in my hair. Well, or just like slime somewhere.
It's in your shirt, whatever. Bye. On your shoulder. I think it just fell off though.
I don't know.
Who likes this poop?
Poop! Poop for sale.
You want the poop? I'll sell it. Tell me if you want me to get an Etsy shop. This video is going to get 0 views. Well, people are going to want to go into it, and then they're going to see how hyper we are, and then they're only going to be watching for like 10 seconds, and they'll be like, bye, you're too crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you're watching this,
I just grabbed
thank
it.
you.
Yeah, if you're watching this, thank you.
Like if you're still
Now let's get back to serious mode.
I'm playing with more slime. Other slime. Other slime.
I'm serious now.
Hannah, look
Poop smile!
Hannah, this is sticking to my
Yeah,
hair. It's just
because
like,
I did that.
Hannah.
I got a poop beard! Guys, look, I grew a beard. I'm truly a man. Look, I grew a beard now. I'm truly a man.
She's a man. All these years they said she was a woman. She's a man though.
I'm a man, though. I'm a man.
I'm a man.
I'm a man because I have a beard. I'm a man because I have a mustache.
What the heck?
That combines with my beard.
Okay, we need to name this slime smoothie, but not. Oh!
I had glue on my nose earlier.
Oh no, it was ice cream.
No, it was glue. Now my face is gonna be sticky.
Pokemon!
What?
Pokemon! Dreams are destiny. Any of you like
Pokemon, I don't, so shut up.
No, does anyone...
It's time to go, people.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it
I want to
is.
play more with my poop slime.
Here, you can have the poop slime.
Have a slime fight. Hashtag slime.
Hey, you
No.
touched me, I touched you.
No hair. No
No
hair.
hair.
No mouth.
No hair, no mouth. But eyes. Yes, eyes.
Don't
No
try
eyes.
eyes though.
You can try name for my eyes.
Yeah.
Because I have glasses. Okay, let's go, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Wait, we forgot to do the glitter. We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna do this. Now we're just gonna let it fall in front of their faces.
Okay, yeah, just grab a few slimes, make them fall in your faces. Oh gosh, I'm mixing it. Ah! What's with me and mixing slimes?
Bye.